You alright?
Yeah, I'm good. Oh, my knee.
What'd you fall on?
My knee.
No, how'd you fall?
On my knee.
No, how'd you fall?
You hit the branch.
Just slipped out.
Wake up, buddy!
Oh no!
Jesus. Jeez.
How dare you?
Oh my god, I hit that and this one. Ugh!
Whoa! Jesus Christ! You like ramped it and then you and the back wheel hit and just swung the whole bike out.
Oh, I landed on the same fucking knee. That's the fourth time I've landed on this knee this trip.
I got that on camera, I think.
Yeah!
Oh, Mikey was. You alright? You alright, Bo? What happened? What's wrong, Alex?
Meanwhile.
Oh, fuck me. Ow. Ugh.
Stop being. Hey, Noddy, stop sleeping. Get the fuck out of bed and pick up your bloody bike. Oh, shit. You ready?
Oh, give me 5 seconds.
1, 2, 3, 5. There you go.
Come on, hit it, son. Dude, I hit a tree stump and I literally went from riding to stopped. Why'd you stack it? Go, 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 go. Keep going, keep going.
Fuck, it's in neutral!
Go, son! Get up there! Dude, I'm riding. There's a tree stump to the right there. I just couldn't see it. I'm riding. Boom!
Oh my shit! Roll it back. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, get on it. I'm stopping the from rolling back. Go, 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 go! Go, go, go!
Fucking hell.
That hill's like nuts.
It was a 27-minute trail. The second place still going.
Oh, just fucking leave me then. Alright, buddies. I see how it is, rough run. I can't see with goggles on, dude.
Neither can I.
Where's bro going? Come on, mate! What are you doing? Yeah, no shit, look at yourself. You alright, buddy? Yeah, I'll lift it up. Bro, there's so many fucking trees in here. Just send a lad. Use the power of the 350. Keep going. All right. This rock's slippery, so be careful. Keep going!
That's my nuts in the seat there.
Right side! Go! Ah, fuck, that's hot.
Go, 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 go! You! Hey! That's exactly what, like, I mean, I landed mine, but.
Hold it back to you.
Are you kidding me?
Get out of the way, buddy! Look at the top of your helmet, dude. You shouldn't have stood behind me then, buddy. Oh my god. Turn the bike on. You get on the clutch and the accelerate. Just stand like that. Ready? Go. Go. Yeah, wait. Go. Roll back. Go. Roll back. Go. Oh fuck. Jesus Christ. Here, let me do that. Oh fuck. I got the clutch. Fuck, dude. Look at this.
Oh my fucking god.
That was fucking 2 hours. Oh, you fucked up the tree.
Kai, Mother Nature, man.
Have some respect. See, now she's attacking me.
Yeah.
Not me.
Fuck you! Hey, yo! Not this way, buddy, that way.
Okay, we'll lift it up. You know what you can do, both of you? You're on the clutch and accelerator. Alex, you're going to pull the front wheel, and I'm going to lift the back wheel up. I'm not going to send it, okay? So just stand there on the side. No, don't stand on the bike. Stand on the side of it. Yeah. Right, go. Turn on. Turn on.